Welcome to Dräger South Africa's newest member of the family, the 8,000 square meter factory in East London.
Strategically, this is very important to us because we've embarked on a special strategy for Africa, and this is playing a big part of our investment in developing the African continent.
The area was a double plot that our local managing director and I picked out to say this is more or less the site that we would be looking for. We knew what square meterage we were requiring, and for future development as well, we decided to settle onto this plot here.
From a program perspective, it was a fast-track project, so our planning and resources had to be to point. We on this entire job had almost 2 months of inclement weather.
I had a bit of difficulties with weather, extreme rain on the site, which pushed the project completion date out with about 2 months. But the contractor still managed to keep things together and actually handing over this first section 2 months ahead of schedule.
The machine movers, they're here to drop off the machine from the old facility into the new facility. It has been a lot of work planning. Our main challenge here is to get all the machines here without disrupting current facility.
A warm Dräger welcome to you all. Our sincere thanks to the East London Development Zone, the CEO, the office, and everybody that helped us in creating this facility today where we stand.
I'd like to especially thank the manufacturing team on moving all the equipment from the old factory to this new location and getting the facility up and running within 2 weeks.
As East London ELIDZ, we are very excited today to be opening one world-class company facility on our platform.
We are excited to have witnessed yet another milestone in the investment space, courtesy of Dräger Safety. It's therefore appropriate to thank them for the confidence that they have shown to the Eastern Cape by choosing us, and especially the East London ELIDZ as their location for business.
This investment comes with a huge benefits to our province. Firstly, and most importantly, it comes with the 96 direct manufacturing jobs. That means from today onwards, 96 people will call this factory their place of employment.
I would like to congratulate the entire Dräger Safety Zenith staff for finishing this project under a tight time schedule. So looking at this new production plant, you can be very proud of yourself and your achievements.
With this facility here, we can be very flexible in expanding or developing as the market needs, even with new technologies coming in, new materials being used, very flexible, very excited about this, and this will play a very important role for us in developing the African continent, also South Africa, and the market.